Book of Heaven, Volume 12, July 11th, 1919. The Heavens of the Soul. I am going through most bitter days. My lovable Jesus makes himself seen little or not at all, or like a flash and flying past. I remember that one night he made himself seen tired and exhausted, carrying as though a bundle of souls in his arms. And looking at me, he told me,
"Ah, my daughter, the slaughter they will make will be such and so great, that only this bundle of souls that I am carrying in my arms will be saved. What madness has man reached? You, do not become disturbed. Be faithful to me during my absence, and after the storm I will repay you at usury for all my privations, redoubling for you my visits and my graces."
And almost crying, he disappeared. It is needless to tell the torment of my poor heart. Another day, almost flying over in front of me, a light remained in my mind. That blessed Jesus, just as he has stretched out the heavens over our heads, so has he stretched out a heaven within our souls. Or rather, not one, but several. So heaven is our intelligence, heaven is our gaze, heaven is the word, the action, the desire, the affection, the heart. With the difference, however, that the external heaven does not change, nor do stars increase or decrease, while the heavens of our interior are subject to changes. So, if the heaven of our mind thinks in a saintly way, as the thoughts are formed, so are stars, suns, beautiful comets formed, and our angel, as he sees them formed, takes them and keeps placing them in the heaven of our intelligence. And if the heaven of the mind is holy, the gaze is holy, the word, the desire, the heartbeat are holy. So, the gazes are stars, the word is light, the desire is comet that extends, the heartbeat is sun, and each one of the senses adorns its own heaven. On the other hand, if the mind is evil, nothing beautiful is formed. Rather, such darkness spreads as to darken all the other heavens. So the gaze sends flashes of impatience, the word thunders with blasphemies, the desires cast lightnings of brutal passions. The heart unleashes from its bosom a devastating hail over the whole work of the creature. Poor heavens, how dark they are, how they arouse pity. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.